we are in the same neighborhood in Richmond. Good afternoon, and this will be the last one of our tour today. Ready to do this, Noman?
I'm excited. Let's do it.
Let's take a look what we have inside here. So this one comes on in and opens up straight into the living room. And this one is currently actually on the market, priced at $609,950. So just over 600,000 price point.
Got it.
And it's about almost 2,000 square feet. It's 1,976.
Got it.
And it shows beautifully. The residents are currently living in here, so you're gonna see there is furniture in it. But let's take a walk around the best we can and take a look at some of the features. So we're in the living room right now, and as you can notice, it has a ceiling fan that you were asking about.
Right.
It has upgraded flooring.
Oh, it's pretty awesome.
And you head on over. This is your this area here is kind of your informal family room or dining setup right here. Opens up to the kitchen, so again, more casual since you're opening up to the kitchen.
Right.
And you know, one of the features I love about this, look at these cabinets down here. You have cabinets for this property. You have cabinets on both sides of the island. There is just massive amounts of storage space on this one. You have a fireplace back here.
Yeah.
So you know, you do have some additional storage space and room. And then this kitchen, as you can tell from the countertops, from the shine in it, is an updated kitchen. All the latest, you got stainless steel appliances and just storage space, so many cabinets up and down. You know, what do you think of this kitchen?
It looks beautiful. I mean, the appliances, the wood floor, the space, the lighting, everything else, it just looks beautiful. It
You
just,
have a deep sink right here.
Yeah.
Fully custom sink right here.
Right.
Again, updated. And then right behind the kitchen opens up to a very interesting space right here. You could utilize this space if you wanted to as your formal dining area. They have it as a pool table setup. You can either use it as a formal dining, or you can go ahead and even maybe set up a formal living room. You know, a lot of options and flexibility there.
Sure.
This is something really cool, which I think gives this house some personality. You know, I don't know what the story behind this is, but obviously you see they like their decor. And this door, you know, it looks like what happened is leads to the laundry room.
Yeah,
it turns into the laundry room, and it's a pretty cool door. And then there's actually a half bath tucked away in here. So you got a downstairs half bath, and then kind of goes into the laundry room. And well, I'll tell you what, hey, you don't got to go through the kitchen to get to the bathroom. So
Absolutely,
you know, I think you're loving this one so far. Before we head upstairs, why don't we go take a look at the back?
Sure. All right, let's do that. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
So we take a look at the backyard here, and they have beautiful backyard. And right now, of course, it's daytime.
Yeah.
You don't have, you know, sunlight is still out here, but one other feature I'll point out in this beautiful gazebo area that they have, covered gazebo, are these beautiful lights that they have going all around. I mean, can you imagine the sun is setting, you're out here in the backyard with your lovely wife or your family, you're barbecuing, you're grilling, and you're just enjoying the mood, the ambiance. You know, you might have some friends over, and you guys might be catching up, old college friends. And right here is a beautiful fire pit. So you have a fire pit, and I tell you what, you don't have to go too far, my friend.
Yeah.
When you write that lovely poetry and decide to sit on the bench with your wife right here. I mean, it's really an amazing backyard. I gave you 3 different scenarios to play with, and he's being a little shy right now. You see that smile?
No.
I think he has some ideas and gears turning up here. So
I was thinking about the poetry. I'm not a good poet, but I do love to talk about romance. So that'll be
there you go.
Yeah.
There you go. And this property has some potential, right?
Sure, yeah.
Let's head on in and take a look at the rest of the bedrooms.
Awesome. Great.
So let's head on upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms.
Love the painting here though.
Yeah, they did a really good, nice job with the decor.
Absolutely.
Really added a custom touch to it.
Yeah, you feel that like the sense
The
of belonging
ambiance.
here. Yeah.
Yeah, so sometimes, you know, it's always a balance, I think, when you're putting a home on the market.
Sure.
Between keeping it empty and letting the people moving in see
Right.
the picture. But when it's done nicely, it can still be okay. So if you take a look at this is obviously a girl's room. Again, closet, fairly good sized room. A lot of light up here. You have access to the attic.
Okay.
So this has an attic with additional storage space. The next bedroom here. Again, a decent sized room. As you can see, this is right now full with furniture. There's a closet right behind you. And obviously you see the wall mounted TV. I mean, there's a lot of furniture in this room.
Right.
And we still feel like there's adequate amounts of space. Again, a lot of natural lighting. We got the window open, slight hum, but the window's open. That's coming from road traffic. But overall, beautiful. If you had the window closed, I didn't think you'd hear a thing. Very
Yeah.
quiet. One thing I'll point out about this bathroom, it's an updated bathroom. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous in there. Why don't we go on in and take a quick look at that beautiful, beautiful tile and those granite countertops. So what did you think about that beautiful bathroom there?
This.
I mean, did you see, compared to the other ones, you see the difference between that not being
Oh, yeah.
standard material?
Absolutely, you feel that difference. Yeah. Absolutely. And the granite, I think the texture is pretty awesome. Like the way they decorate is pretty nice.
The one last thing I'll
Really
point out before you leave the bathroom,
Yeah.
take a look at that crown molding at the top.
Ah.
It's a very kind of
I
like
think you missed that,
authentic,
yeah.
antique look, you know? It's one of those things, it's a minor detail, but it really gives the whole bathroom a character. And for me, remember I mentioned to you, the most money you want to spend is where in the house?
Bathroom.
And kitchen.
And
Those
kitchen.
two areas, absolutely. Absolutely. Let's head on into the other bedroom. Again, another beautiful, you know, bedroom. A lot of space, nice and open. You see that breeze coming in. You feel that breeze kind of just
Yeah.
cooling us off.
Right.
We're on the second floor. We got the bay breeze. It's beautiful, you know.
That's nice. Absolutely.
Now you're originally from another state,
Yeah.
right? Where'd you come from?
From Dallas.
From Dallas.
Yeah,
So,
it's,
hey, you don't have that breeze in Dallas out here in Texas. I'll tell you.
feel a difference here though, for sure.
Yeah. So welcome to California, my friend, and I'm so glad you chose me to be your realtor. So this is an interesting setup. If you head on in over here, looks like they have a game room set up.
Right.
So basically it's like you can use it as a home office. Obviously it's a bedroom. If you look right behind you there,
Closet.
you have the closets.
Right.
Again, a lot of natural lighting. Just beautifully, beautifully done all around, and a lot of good use of space. Also, one thing I didn't point out before, fairly new carpet. This carpet has a lot more life, a lot more, you know, you don't have to replace it, a lot more life
What's
in
a
it.
good way to tell if it's kind of new or old?
You could tell you could tell usually from the bounce of the carpet and the look.
Okay.
So a lot of those things. Excuse me. On the older carpet, you'll notice it looks a lot more flat, a lot
Flat,
more
okay.
worn. You'll
Like
see what are
bouncy.
called you'll see what are called run patterns. So therefore, you know, the common areas where people walk, you'll see more dirt and things being tracked there. That's why they're called run patterns or track patterns. So we're in the master. This right here is a king size bed. So I know that was your question in a lot of them. You
Oh,
have your
yeah.
king size bed here. Right behind you is the walk-in closet. We're gonna go and respect their privacy.
Sure.
We won't go in there in too much detail, but you know, we'll just kind of take a look. There's a lot of adequate lighting coming in. And then over here is the master bath. So if you head on in over here, again, you see the updated countertops, a lot of natural light, and basically,
The crown molding here.
so again, we're in the bathroom, and you see that same crown molding up top. Very, very nicely done and updated. And again, the same counters. And that pretty much concludes our tour. Why don't we head on out to the garage? That's the
Sure.
last area.
Yeah.
And this is the garage. Obviously they're using it for some storage space. They have a TV mounted there to work out. Cabinets are done here in the garage, nicely and well done. So a lot of space. And this pretty much concludes our tour of Richmond, California, or as you say, the city of
Richmond!
There we go. And I'm so glad. It's been a pleasure
It's a pleasure.
introduce you to the Bay Area,
Sure.
and the East Bay Area. I'm so glad that you decided to move from Dallas, Texas. I mean, for our better weather, to say the least. Welcome to California, and you guys watching at home, if you want to get a hold of me, my number is 510-367-4492. That's 510-367-4492. Feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. If you haven't already done so, please hit the red subscribe button. And we really, really appreciate your support and watching our channel.
Good job, man.
Thank you. I appreciate you.